Our weekly key levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all the 10 stocks worked almost 100%. Mind you, these key levels given by me on the 7th of June, a week back. And all key levels performed very well. All the stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's go back and see how the key levels for these stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed in this week. Let's take a quick review, and after that, after a few minutes, I'll get you the key levels for the next week. So welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. I'm Rishikesh. Let me share my screen and take a quick review of the performance of our key levels. See, this is the Bank Nifty. Key levels were 54 250, 55,000, 55 350, and 56050. As you can see, the price struggled at 54 250, but on 9th of June, price price opened exactly at 54 250, and then it rallied. After that, it was struggling at 55 350 to 5500 zone, after which a gap up opening, uh, there was a gap up opening, and then after smooth and short consolidation, breakout of consolidation, and the price rallied above a final key level, that is 56,000, which is a psychological level. This was in Bank Nifty. See, this is the Nifty. Throughout the week, almost 4 days, the price respected 23,420. So you had plenty of opportunity to go short, to sell calls. And see, 23,420, the price respected, but after this gap up exactly, the price was again rejected on the final day, that is yesterday, and then there was small consolidation, and followed by breakout of that consolidation, and then 23,420 price broke above this key level and it rallied. This story is same for Nifty and Bank Nifty. L&T, the there was a rejection from 3950 to 3020 zone. You can see that just below that there was a consolidation, then there was a rejection, and then there was a gap up opening. Price took support exactly at 3920, and then this resistance becomes support, and then it rallied and hit our key level 4030. This is the story of L&T. Hindustan Unilever, price opened near our lowest key level, nearest key level, took support just above key level, went up, just got the rejection from 22 110. Classic rejection from our key level, and then price settled between these two key levels at 21 621. Then we have Bajaj Finance. See, Bajaj Finance also small consolidation followed by gap up opening above this, that consolidation retest. This becomes resistance, becomes support, retest exactly, takes support from our key level 875, goes up again, goes down. It seemed like the price will move below 875, but if you paid if you would have if you had paid attention to the closing on 11th of June, you would have noticed price closed just near our key level 875. 875. So key level was still valid. After that, a gap up opening, price rallied up. Momentum wasn't enough for price to reach 930. This was Bajaj Finance. Let's see Infosys. Price took a rejection from our 1205 key level. Just below 1205 key level, price took a rejection from 1200, and then it hit our third key level, got rejection from our third key level, and settled near our last key level. You can see the consolidations and breakout of those consolidations followed by price towards the next key level. Consolidation, momentum, and then there was a hit, and then this is a final consolidation. This was Infosys. Let's go back to SBI. See, a classic working of our key level. Price opened gap down, but the initial candle with with the high solid candle, large solid candle, price went up, consolidated at our key level, and with breakout of that consolidation, price rallied up with consistent gradient. This was the SBI, ICICI. You can look at this. Price exactly opened at 1245, took classic support, went up 1260, broke above 1260, again took support, broke above 1280, and took support just above 1280, and then rallied up. Momentum wasn't just enough to reach the next key level, so it missed by small amount. TCS was sideways, but as you can see, the 2105 key level worked perfectly as a support. The price got a rejection from 2105, and the price moved up. Apart from this, the move in TCS was sideways. We have Bharti Airtel. See, superb. Price opened, went up, closed just at our key level. Second day on 9th of June, price opened with gap up, but a large rejection candle. Price went below this. The volume, you could see the manifold multiples of previous volume. Price got a heavy rejection, went down, and just took support of our previous key level, that is 1765. Then again, this key level pushed the price up, and our 1820 key level again attained by the price. Then we have HDFC, sideways to the middle of the week, and then there was a breakout. Again, this you could see the liquidity sweep of 1745. Price rested on the Thursday just at 1745, and with this gap up above these highs, the price rallied up. This is for HDFC. You could just visually see how the key levels worked in perfect manner. Reliance, superb working. Initially, the steady momentum, initially steady bearish momentum, then a sudden spike, but heavy rejection from 1295 key level. Again, price settled just below, just about previous lows, and then it recovered from that and settled just at 1295. Our key level was 1295, and price settled at 1296.40 within 1.40 basis points. So this was a Reliance. Now the key levels for the next week. So these are the key levels. This is for the Nifty Bank. You can just take a snapshot of this. I will not, you know, dictate these key levels. You can just take a screenshot of this. This is for Nifty. You can see a large void. Expect a momentum, or if the momentum isn't enough, the price is likely to close between these two levels. LNT, in LNT you have chances of momentum. Key levels are spaced apart from each other with a large distances. Hindustan Unilever, yes, you can see. Then we have Bajaj Finance. These are the key levels. I hope you can see that. Then we have Infosys. Yes, Infosys. If the price breaks below this, expect a heavy move towards the next key level 1065. Then we have SBI. Yes, see, lot of void. ICICI Bank, price is going with the steady pace, rising with the steady pace. But 1370 and 1400 can be the next resistances. Then we have TCS. Last week seems like a consolidation at the bottom. This week can be a sideways or a directional. Expect momentum in these two voids. If the price goes below, expect some whipsaws, because downside the key levels are spaced closer to each other. We have Bharti Airtel. If the price goes up, expect some momentum. Downside, expect whipsaws. But if there is a heavy gap downs and price opens below this, the price may very well likely to pierce through the least key level also. Don't cloud your judgment with the directional bias. Just trade what you see. Yes. Again, these are the key levels. Next resistance 785, 800 and 810. This is for HDFC Bank. This is for Reliance. Next key level 1305. If the 1305 holds, expect sideways between 1270 and 1305. If the price breaks above 1305, expect price to reach 1360 also. Maybe in the next week, by the end of the next week, or after next to next week. So that's it from my side for this weekly session. I'll see you in the next one.